When one has lost interest in this world, his faith and longing for the Dharma is confirmed. To relinquish one's home ties is very hard. Only by leaving one's native land can one be immune from anger. It is hard to conquer burning passions towards relatives and close friends. The best way to quench them is to break all associations. One never feels that one is rich enough, contented. He should wear humble cotton clothes. He may thus conquer much desire and craving. It is hard to avoid worldly attractions by adhering to humbleness. Longing for vainglory is subdued. It is hard to conquer pride and egotism, so, like the animals, live in the mountains. My dear and faithful patrons, such is the real understanding that stems from perseverance. I wish you all to practice deeds that are meaningful and amass all merits. Thank you for listening. Please do share and like if it's beneficial. We also love to hear your suggestions related to Buddhism. Comment below or send us message on tbtbuddhism@gmail.com.